Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of our series on the top trending open source projects on GitHub. This week, we're diving into amazing tools, from AI-powered applications to super-fast Python utilities. Get ready to explore the latest in tech. Let's get started. Project number 1, Hunyuan 3D 2.0. Revolutionizing 3D asset generation. Today, we're diving into an exciting project called Hunyuan 3D 2.0. This isn't just another 3D modeling tool, it's a high-resolution 3D asset generation system that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. What makes Hunyuan 3D 2.0 truly unique is its approach to 3D creation using large-scale diffusion models. It cleverly breaks down the process into 2 key steps. First, it uses Hunyuan 3D DIT, a large-scale shape generation model, to create the basic 3D geometry of an object from a given image. Think of it as building the skeleton of your 3D model. This model is built on a scalable flow-based diffusion transformer, ensuring the geometry aligns perfectly with the image you provide. Then comes the magic of Hunyuan 3D Paint, the texture synthesis model, which adds high-resolution, vibrant textures to the 3D mesh. This model leverages strong geometric and diffusion priors to produce incredibly detailed textures, making your 3D models come to life. This 2-stage process allows for the generation of very complex 3D assets with both generated or handcrafted meshes. What's more, Tencent has developed Hunyuan 3D Studio, a user-friendly platform that simplifies the entire 3D asset recreation process. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this platform makes it easier to create, manipulate, and even animate your 3D models. And the best part? Hunyuan 3D 2.0 outperforms previous models, including both open source and closed source options, in terms of geometry detail, condition alignment, and texture quality. It's a significant leap forward in 3D asset generation, and it's definitely something to keep an eye on. This project offers a variety of ways to get started, from code usage to a Gradio app, API server, and even a Blender add-on. You can also check out the official website for quick use. Project number 2, Meridian. Take control of your marketing mix modeling. We're exploring another exciting project called Meridian, Marketing Mix Modeling. This isn't your typical marketing tool, it's a powerful framework that empowers advertisers to build and manage their own in-house marketing mix models. What makes Meridian truly unique is its focus on enabling advertisers to take control of their modeling process, rather than relying on external vendors. Meridian is designed to answer key questions like, how do marketing channels drive revenue? What is the marketing ROI? And how should we optimize future marketing budget allocation? Meridian uses a Bayesian causal inference approach and can handle large-scale geo-level data, but it can also work with national-level modeling. It's privacy-safe and doesn't rely on cookies or user-level data. This framework is highly customizable and provides clear insights with visualizations to help with business decisions. Meridian also supports the calibration of MMM with experiments, prior information, and can optimize ad frequency using reach and frequency data. The system is built to be run on GPUs for real-time optimization, leveraging tensors to help reduce training time. Meridian provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and guides, including a quick start collab tutorial, a user guide, and support for post-modeling. The project is open source and available on GitHub. The team addresses questions and bugs through the GitHub repository on a weekly basis. To install Meridian, you will need Python 3.11 or 3.12 and a GPU. You can install it using pip install upgrade Google Meridian, or you can install the most recent unreleased version from GitHub with this command: $pip install upgrade git plus https://github.com/google/meridian.git. It also has a migration guide if you are using lightweight MMM. This framework offers a lot of potential for in-house data analysis for marketing teams, and it's definitely worth checking out. Project number 3, Qwen-Agent, a powerful framework for LLM applications. We're diving into another exciting project called Qwen-Agent. This isn't just another agent framework, it's a comprehensive toolkit built upon the capabilities of Qwen 2.0, featuring function calling, code interpreter, RAG, retrieval augmented generation, and a Chrome extension. What makes Qwen-Agent unique is its focus on enabling developers to create advanced LLM applications with a variety of built-in tools and functionalities. Qwen-Agent is designed for developing applications using the instruction following: tool usage, planning, and memory capabilities of Qwen. It comes with example applications such as Browser Assistant, Code Interpreter, and Custom Assistant, and it also serves as the backend for Qwen-Chat. Qwen-Agent offers atomic components like LLMs with function calling and tools, as well as high-level components like agents. You can develop your own agent by inheriting from the agent class. The framework provides a convenient GUI interface, supporting the rapid deployment of Gradio demos for agents. Qwen-Agent also has a fast RAG solution for question answering over super long documents. The code interpreter is not sandboxed, so it is important to avoid using it for dangerous tasks or production purposes. To install Qwen-Agent, you can use pip to install the stable version from PyPI, including optional requirements for GUI, RAG, code interpreter, and Python executor. Alternatively, you can install the latest development version from the source using Git. You can use a model service from Alibaba Cloud's Scope, or deploy and use your own model using open-source Qwen models. This framework offers a lot of potential for developing custom LLM applications, and it's definitely worth checking out. Project number 4, HyperSwitch, an open-source payments platform. We're diving into another exciting open-source project called HyperSwitch. This isn't just another payment processing system, it's a composable, commercial open-source payments platform designed to make payments fast, reliable, and affordable. What makes HyperSwitch truly unique is its approach as a reusable core payment stack that businesses can customize to their specific needs, while still getting support and continuous innovation from the HyperSwitch team. It offers a single API to access the payments ecosystem and its features, simplifying the complexities of integrating with multiple payment providers. HyperSwitch is an enterprise-grade, transparent and modular platform, aiming to provide digital businesses with access to the best payment infrastructure. HyperSwitch includes a backend that supports various payment flows, including authorization, authentication, void and capture workflows, and post-payment processes like refunds and chargebacks. It also optimizes payment routing with customizable workflows. The SDK is available for web, Android, and iOS, unifying the payment experience across different payment methods. The Control Center allows users to manage their payment stack without coding, creating workflows for routing and retries, and providing access to transaction logs and analytics. HyperSwitch also supports non-payment use cases by connecting with external FRM or authentication providers. You can try HyperSwitch locally using Docker, or deploy it on AWS, GCP, or Azure. There is also a hosted sandbox available for testing. HyperSwitch is licensed under the Apache 2.0 license. This project is designed to be like Linux for payments, offering a well-architected and customizable platform. It is definitely worth checking out for anyone dealing with complex payment integrations. Project number 5, Paperless-ngx, a community-driven document solution. We're exploring an awesome open-source project called Paperless-ngx. This isn't just another document scanner. It's a community-supported, supercharged version of the original Paperless project, designed to help you scan, index, and archive all your physical documents, so you can keep, well, less paper. What makes Paperless-ngx unique is its focus on distributing the responsibility of advancing and supporting the project among a team of people. This means that the project is continuously being improved and supported by a dedicated community. Paperless-ngx transforms your physical documents into a searchable online archive. It's a powerful tool for managing your documents digitally, and it is the official successor to the original Paperless and Paperless-ng projects. Paperless-ngx offers features like document scanning, indexing, and archiving. The project is available in many languages that are coordinated on Crodin. The easiest way to deploy Paperless-ngx is using Docker Compose, pulling the image from the GitHub container registry. You can also use an install script for a quick setup. Migrating from Paperless-ng is easy. You can just drop in the new Docker image. It's important to note that since information is stored in clear text without encryption, Paperless-ngx should never be run on an untrusted host. The safest way to use it is on a local server with backups. You can find the documentation at docs.paperless-ngx.com. If you're interested in contributing, bug fixes, enhancements, and visual fixes are always welcome. You can also submit feature requests via GitHub discussions and report bugs by opening an issue. Paperless-ngx is licensed under the GPL 3.0 license. This project is definitely worth checking out if you are looking for a great document management system. Project number 6, Unstract. Automate document workflows with LLMs. We're taking a look at an exciting open-source project called Unstract. This is not just another document processing tool. It's a no-code LLM platform designed to help you launch APIs and ETL pipelines to structure unstructured documents. What makes Unstract unique is its focus on making the power of large language models, LLMs, accessible to everyone, without needing to write any code. It provides a platform where you can use a prompt studio to efficiently develop prompts for document data extraction. Unstract is designed for effective and high-speed development and iteration of prompts for document data extraction, allowing you to move from raw documents to structured data with ease. Unstract uses a three-step workflow. First, you add documents to the no-code prompt studio and do prompt engineering to extract required fields. Then, you configure the Prompt Studio project as an API deployment or configure an input source and output destination for an ETL pipeline. Finally, you can deploy workflows as unstructured data APIs or unstructured data ETL pipelines. It supports various LLM providers, such as OpenAI, Google Vertex AI, and Anthropic. It also has support for vector databases like Qwen and Weaviate, as well as embeddings from OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, and Google Palm. You can also connect to various ETL sources and destinations, including AWS S3, Google Cloud Storage, Snowflake, and Amazon Redshift. Unstract is designed to be user-friendly and well-documented. You can try it out by downloading a release or cloning the repo and following the Quick Start guide. Unstract is licensed under the AGPL 3.0 license. You can also join their community on Slack. Unstract also integrates PostHog to track usage analytics, which can be disabled if desired. This project is definitely worth checking out if you are looking for a way to structure unstructured documents using the power of LLMs, without writing a line of code. Project number 7, Chat2DB, AI-powered database tool. We're diving into an exciting open-source project called Chat2DB. This isn't just your average database tool, it's an AI-driven database tool and SQL client that aims to be the hottest GUI client available, supporting a wide range of databases. What makes Chat2DB unique is its integration of AI capabilities to help you write SQL queries faster and generate reports more efficiently. It supports more than 10 databases including MySQL, PostgreSQL, H2, Oracle, SQL Server, SQLite, MariaDB, ClickHouse, DM, Presto, DB2, OceanBase, Hive, Kingbase, MongoDB, Redis, and Snowflake. Chat2DB offers several key features, including intelligent SQL generation, database management, intelligent report generation, and data structure synchronization. The tool is available in 3 versions: Community, Open Source, Local, and Pro, each offering different levels of features and AI capabilities. The Pro version provides AI-ready features on installation, varied AI capabilities, data structure sync, database grouping, data import-export, data migration, intelligent SQL editor, and much more. Chat2DB is cross-platform, supporting Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can download the Community, Local, or Pro version, depending on your needs. For the Community Edition, you can also deploy it using Docker. To debug the code, you need Java 17 or higher and Node 16 or higher. Chat2DB is licensed under the Apache 2.0 license. The project is actively developed with a strong community of contributors and is available on GitHub. If you're looking for a powerful, AI-enhanced database tool that can help you manage your databases, write SQL queries faster, and generate reports, Project number 8, Hello 3, Realistic Audio-Driven Portrait Animation. We're diving into an exciting open-source project called Hello 3, highly dynamic and realistic portrait image animation with diffusion transformer networks. This isn't just another image animation tool. It's a cutting-edge project that focuses on creating highly dynamic and realistic portrait animations from a single reference image and driving audio. What makes Hello 3 unique is its use of diffusion transformer networks to achieve a high level of realism and dynamic movement in the animated portraits. The project is developed by researchers from Fudan University and Baidu Inc. Hello 3 takes a reference image and a driving audio in WAV format as input. It's important that the audio is in English, and the vocals should be clear. The system uses a combination of models, including Cogvidex for the transformer and 3D-VAE, T5V1_1XXL for text encoding, and Wave2Vec for audio processing. Additionally, it utilizes face analysis models from InsightFace and MediaPipe. The project also includes a vocal removal model called KimVocal_2MDXNet. The pre-trained models can be downloaded from their Hugging Face repository. You can run inference either through a Gradio UI or in batch mode. The project also provides training data, which comprises over 70 hours of talking head videos and 50 hours of dynamic video clips. The training data is available on Hugging Face. The project also addresses the social risks associated with this type of technology. It emphasizes the importance of of ethical guidelines and responsible use practices to mitigate the risks of creating deepfakes. Hello 3 is licensed under the MIT license. If you're looking for a way to create highly dynamic and realistic portrait animations, Project number 9 Ruff, the extremely fast Python linter. We're diving into an incredibly useful tool for Python developers called Ruff, an extremely fast Python linter and code formatter, written in Rust. This isn't just another linter or formatter, it's designed to be significantly faster than existing Python linters like Flake 8 and formatters like Black. What makes Ruff unique is its speed and comprehensive functionality, integrating multiple tools into one. It is written in Rust, allowing for incredible performance, and aims to replace multiple tools with a single common interface. Ruff is designed to be 10 to 100 times faster than other linters and formatters. It can replace tools such as Flake 8, Black, iSort, PyTextile, PyUpgrade, and AutoFlake. It boasts over 800 built-in rules, with native reimplementations of popular Flake 8 plugins. It also includes built-in caching to avoid reanalyzing unchanged files. Ruff is compatible with Python 3.13 and supports Pyproject.toml. You can install Ruff using pip, uv, or standalone installers. It also offers support for Homebrew and Conda. Ruff supports multiple editors, including VS Code, and can be used as a pre-commit hook via Ruff precommit, or as a GitHub action via Ruff action. It can be configured through Pyproject.toml, Ruff.toml, or .ruff.toml files. The default rule set is designed to be a great starting point, with zero configuration. Ruff is actively developed and used in major open source projects like Apache Airflow, Pandas, and Hugging Face. It is backed by Astral. If you're looking for a much faster way to lint and format your Python code, Project number 10, Generative AI, a comprehensive beginner's course. We're diving into an amazing resource for anyone looking to get started with generative AI called Generative AI for Beginners, 21 lessons to start building AI applications. This isn't just another tutorial series. It's a comprehensive course designed to teach you the fundamentals of building generative AI applications, using hands-on examples. What makes this project unique is its structured approach with 21 lessons, covering a wide range of topics from basic concepts to advanced techniques. This project is created by Microsoft Cloud Advocates. The course covers various topics including an introduction to generative AI and large language models, LLMs, how to choose the right model for a specific use case, prompt engineering techniques, and how to build different kinds of AI applications such as text generation, chat, search, and image generation. It also includes lessons on using generative AI responsibly, designing user experiences, securing applications, and managing the AI application lifecycle. Each lesson is designed with a video introduction, a written explanation, and code examples in both Python and TypeScript. The code examples support Azure, OpenAI, and OpenAI API. You can use Azure OpenAI Service, GitHub Marketplace Model Catalog, or OpenAI API to run the code of this course. This project also provides you with extra learning resources, and you can join an official AI Discord server to network with other learners. If you're building a startup, you can receive free OpenAI credits and up to $150,000 towards Azure credits to access OpenAI models through Azure OpenAI Services. The project is licensed under the MIT license and encourages contributions and feedback. If you're eager to learn the ropes of generative AI, this course is an excellent place to start. That's our look at this week's top open source projects. We covered everything from generative AI to 3D modeling. Which project is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.